في سدر مخضود
في سدر مخدود
وطلح منضود
وطلح محدود.
What is the name of this مقام?
Same, the Hammond? No?
Excellent. وظل ممدود
وظل ممدود.
No, this مقام صبا. I will repeat. وظل ممدود
وظل ممدود.
I'm using this مقام which called the مقام نعوان because this verses is speaking about the dwellers of the Jannah, and we can't describe these verses by using sadness مقام. Okay? But our principal مقام now is Sabah. We pass by some مقامات, but the principal one is Sabah. وماء مسكوب
وماء مسكوب.
آه
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 آه.
excellent الله أكبر ولله الحمد. وماء مسكوب
وماء مسكوب.
Try to notify ماء. We need to melody in this. The حرف, the letter of ألف. ما. If we need to melody of this word ما, without melody I will recite this ماء مسكوب, but we need the melody. ماء this called عربة, but I don't know the meaning in English. Can you tell me please, brother?
عربة, I don't know. No idea.
لأجل النبي لأجل النبي لأجل النبي اقبل صلاة على النبي لأجل النبي لأجل النبي لأجل النبي لأجل النبي اقبل صلاة على النبي لأجل النبي. Where is you, my brother Shuaib?
England.
Okay. Can you hear did you? I need to know the عربة, which is meaning in English.
I check now. عربة, عين, راء, باء, and
التاء المربوطة.
تاء مربوطة, yes.
When I need now, we need to melody in the word of ماء. ما. If you didn't find this meaning, okay, never mind, my brother.
Okay.
Now I will from you to repeat after me.
ما.
Okay. We will return back to the exercise of the vocalization or solfege. Listen to me to listen to me to catch this exercise. This sound is similar to the ambulance sound.
Yes.
This is the exercise of the أربع الأربع الصوتية. The أربع of the sound. Can you repeat it? Excellent. وما. Okay. وماء مسكوب.
وماء مسفود.
وفاكهة كثيرة.
وفاكهة كثيرة.
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
لا مقطوعة ولا ممنوعة.
What's happened, brother? You return back to the مقام 7. I am in this نهوان. Inshallah, you will catch this مقام. You can consider that when we use another مقام, not principle, you can. It's
Yes.
beginning of introduction for this مقام.
Okay.
وطلح منضود.
وطلح ممدود.
الله. وظل ممدود.
I didn't hear this, my brother. The voice breaking, losing voice.
وظل ممدود.
وظل ممدود.
If anyone try to call you, I'm can with you.
Sorry?
If anyone try to call you,
Okay.
I will with you.
Okay.
If anyone try to call you, I will with you.
You'll be with me.
If anyone need to call you, your friends or.
Okay, no, it's okay.
Okay, brother. We will back to the مقام السبع. إنا أنشأناهن إنشاء.
I think I maybe need Musaf 2 minutes. I get it on my phone.
the principal مقام till now is مقام صبا.
Okay.
Any مقامات I mentioned it, we quickly to mention it. جزاء بما كانوا يعملون. مقام صبا.
جزاء بما كانوا يعملون.
لا يسمعون فيها
لا يسمعون فيها